Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert and install a SIM card on your iPhone 4S. So let's get started. So in order to insert or install a SIM card on your iPhone 4S, you need a couple things here. First thing is you need a SIM ejector tool like this. Now, if you don't have a tool like this, don't worry. You can take a paper clip and bend it like that. Or if you have a earring piece as well, that will work as well. Basically, you'll locate the SIM tray, which is on the right hand side on your iPhone. Take your SIM ejector tool or whatever tool that you have that can fit in that hole, and then you're going to give it a gentle push till you hear a little snap where the SIM tray pops out, and then you can take your finger and pull out the SIM tray just like that. Now the iPhone 4S takes the micro size SIM card, not the nano, which is the smallest. So you need a SIM card that's a little bit bigger than the nano size ones, which your carrier can provide. And you're going to lay it here where you're going to match up the corner that's cut here, just like that. And it's going to sit flat on the tray here, just like that. And once you do that, you're going to take it and insert it right back in the same exact way. You want to match up the holes here. So you match up the hole just like that, and then press it in till it sits flush against the side. And now we have installed and inserted a SIM card onto our iPhone 4S, and we should get phone service after that. Now, if you don't get phone service right away, you might consider turning it off and turning it back on. Give it a few minutes. Also, contact your carrier to make sure the SIM card is active and they don't have to do any other special thing on their end. And lastly, if it's been a couple minutes and you still haven't gotten phone service, take out the SIM card and then simply take it all the way out and then reinsert it back in, just to make sure that the first time around there wasn't anything going on that prevented the SIM card being fully inserted and installed. And after that, hopefully you get phone service on your iPhone with the new SIM card you have installed. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.